everyone, San Diego Youth Science here. Like many of you out there, I've been spending an awful lot of time indoors. So I just wanted to share with you a way that you can still think scientifically even while you're at home. Today we're going to explore how to keep a science journal, and hopefully by the end of this video you can come up with your own and maybe share a picture or a video with us so we can see what you've come up with. Alright, let's get started. To begin, you just need a notebook. Any notebook will do, and if you don't have one, you can grab a blank piece of paper or a lined paper, and you just need a pencil to start. Okay, so now that we have our notebook and our pencil, let's see what we can find outside. Okay, so here's my notebook. I've written the title, my name, the date that I've started, and I've left room for the date that I finish. For this drawing of a dandelion, I labeled some parts, but it's also important to ask some questions. Here I've asked why this part of the leaf is brown and what might have eaten this part of the leaf. On the next page I have a different kind of journal entry where I've included the date, the weather, and the location. I wrote down a lot more of my thoughts and information on these pages, but something to keep in mind is that there's no wrong way to keep a science journal. Everyone's journal will look different. Now let's take a look at a few journal entries from some famous scientists. Before Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, he was excited to see wires strung in England, noting that they were the best strung wires he ever saw. Marie Curie discovered the element radium, and her notebooks are still radioactive today. And Alexander Graham Bell drew pictures of his early ideas of the telephone. This is pretty much all that you need to get started on your science journal. We mainly hope that we stay curious about the world around us and that we keep writing down or drawing our ideas before we forget them. That way we can look back ourselves, or maybe we could even share with other people too. So if you've made a science journal and you'd like to share it with us, feel free to send a video or a picture and we would love to check it out. We'll see you guys again soon.